Welcome my friends, I'm Miroslav and today we're going to be making real chocolate chunk cookies. You're going to need half a cup sugar, 3/4 cup brown sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, half a cup unsalted butter, 1 1/4 cups flour, 1 egg, half a teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 4 ounces milk chocolate and 4 ounces dark chocolate or 1 chocolate bar each. Cut the chocolate in small pieces. Start with sugar, then add brown sugar, salt, add melted butter, and mix it. Add 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and mix it all until it's consistent. Then we're going to sift the flour. Before you finish, add half a teaspoon of baking soda. Throw the little rocks left over away. And then again, mix it well until it's consistent. Add chocolate. Mix it with the dough. Cover it with the plastic wrap. And then put it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes to cool it down. I use the ice cream scoop. You can use the spoon, but don't handle it with your hands because they're warm. Make sure you have room between scoops so when they bake, they don't touch each other. Preheat your oven to 350 and bake it for about 12 to 15 minutes. Pour yourself a cup of milk, dip it in, and enjoy it. I hope you enjoy cooking with me. Please click like, and if you're new to this channel, click subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.